Ingistainge noton chitab Kolenjin ole kakomuch komonge Speaker nebo National Assembly noton ko Moses Wetang'ula akoteteange kotinge ak tilet nekimuch kokon inendet en kenyitab 2022 nekimuch kokochi katyaknatet chamait noton neindochin President William Samoei Ruto anan Kenya Kwanza koik chamait noton nebo chechang en bunge noton nebo National Assembly anan Majority Party. Kobun ogiliondenyin noton ko Milima Kitinda komwae kole tilet nekoimuch kokon kapkirwok netoror en komalo nekoimuch koesha kole chamait nebo Kenya Kwanza komo chamait netindoi member chechang en bunge ako kimuch kokochi katyaknatet komosta noton nechigili serikali nebo Azimio koik neindoi en bunge. Komwae Kitinda kole noton komakoi kong'em kandoinatet noton nebo Moses Wetang'ula en National Assembly. Akot konoton komwae kole matinye lelut age tugul Wetang'ula kotinge ak tilet nekimuch komong en kenyitab 2022 missing ko ingekusikong akobo arorutiet nemiten en katiba nebo emoni noton netinyegei ak uwatet kong'eten chamait age akoi chamait age. Akot konoton kokoimuch kapkirwok netoror nebo High Court kokochi katyaknatet komosta nechigili serikali nebo Azimio koik Majority Party en National Assembly kit nekokomuch koesha bunge nebo emoni.
I want to make this very clear that whereas the petitioners in the High Court had gone to court and sought specifically that the court does declare who is the majority and minority in the National Assembly, the High Court expressly dismissed that prayer. In other words, it declined to grant that prayer. And that then means that the High Court was alive to the fact that the only person who has power to declare or pronounce him or herself over who is the majority or minority in the National Assembly is the Speaker of the National Assembly. And therefore, when the court nullified the October ruling of the Speaker on majority and minority, the question went back to the same constitutional person with the Speaker to answer the question of who is the majority and minority. And what did the Speaker do? He looked at the prevailing circumstances, looked at the documents, including those documents from the register of political parties, and pronounced himself that Kenya Kwanza remains the majority. There's absolutely no court order that had restrained the Speaker from pronouncing himself as to is the majority or minority. In fact, what the High Court did is that it created a vacuum. By it nullifying the decision of the Speaker that had been made in October 2022, it created a vacuum, and therefore the Speaker had to fill that vacuum by himself again as the constitutional organ or person who has that duty and mandate to declare then who is the majority and minority. And therefore there's absolutely no contempt on the part of the Speaker. There's no order that has been at all contravened by the Speaker, and we expect that there can be no other interpretation different from what I've stated because the court orders were in black and white.
Ingistainge noton chitab Kolenjin